Hello, dear teachers, and welcome to my project presentation. My name is Urakbaeva Бағжан, and I'm 10th grade student at the Erkin Öğretbekov Regional Specialized Lithium Boarding School. Today, I'm very excited to present my project in the field of environmental engineering. I hope it will be interesting and informative for all of you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to present, and I hope you enjoy it. Moving on. Let's talk about why I choose this profession. I was born in the Қызылорда region. This region has a rich history and a beautiful nature. However, it also has serious environmental problems. Our region is famous because of the ecology disaster of the Aral Sea. Many years ago, the sea was very large and full of water. People could fish there and the climate was better. But today, most of the sea has dried up. Now there is dry land and the salty dust storms. Moreover, I grew up seeing these problems. That's why I choose to become an environmental engineering. I would like to help solve them. I don't want to be just an observer. I want to be a specialist who solves problems. Then, what kind of profession is an environmental engineer? Environmental engineer is a specialist who works to protect nature and solve environmental problems that can affect people's lives. Their main tasks are to monitor and protect the quality of water, air, and soil, to fight waste, to manage and recycle waste, to reduce environmental risks, and to study and prevent natural disasters. Also develop and implement environmental projects and technologies. Now, let's talk about the history of this profession. In ancient civilizations such as Egypt, Mesopotamia, China, and Rome, water supply systems, canals, wells, and sewer systems appeared. These were the first forms of environmental engineering ideas. First, this job was called sanitary engineering. It worked with water, air, and soil pollution. In the 1960s, the name changed to environmental engineering. The work became bigger. Environmental engineering started to control pollution, manage waste, and check the environment. Next, I created a video. Okay, then I would like to say famous people about environmental engineer. The first picture is Ellen Swan Richards. She is one of the founders of environmental engineering. She developed sanitary engineering. Then the second picture is Mary McCarthy. He's one of the leading scientists in environmental engineering in the USA. Then the last picture is Abel Woman. He was an engineer and a scientist who developed water supply and water chlorination systems. Next, I created a video using artificial intelligence to demonstrate the experiments of these scientists. I like your attention, please. Environmental engineering is not an easy profession. To work in this field, we need to have the following these abilities. The first is environmental knowledge. We have to have good knowledge about nature, air, water, and soil. Then technical skills, engineer decision management of ecological systems. And the third one is scientific research skills, collecting data, analyzing it, and the others. The last one is problem-solving skills, find a solution to pollution and environmental problems. Actually, nothing is perfect. Every coin has two sides. Like everything else, being an environmental engineer has its advantages and disadvantages. Okay, advantages of this profession are useful for society, high demand in the future, develop many skills, opportunity to create innovative projects, participate in global experience. Disadvantages of this profession. They are high responsibility, work can be difficult and stressful, salary is not always high, however it depends your projects. Then continuous learning and development are needed, research and reporting can take a lot of time. Next, for those who want to become environmental engineers, where they can study. You can study university in Kazakhstan, they are Satpayev University, Al-Farabi Kazakh National University, and the Karaganda University of Kazpatripsois. If you know 3 or 4 languages and want to study abroad instead of in Kazakhstan, you can attend courses at universities. They are International Institute for Water and Environmental Engineering and the UNICEF. Those who become environmental engineer can find opportunity in these sectors. The first one is managing water resources, then air protection, soil and land protection, waste processing and recycling, industrial and the construction sector. The last one is research and education. Next, we can look at a diagram showing pollution levels between different countries. Among them, Kazakhstan is 33rd in the world. This is a lot compared to other countries. So, environmental engineers are very important for our country. Overall, the population is growing. Natural resources needed to be protected. Climate change, air, and water pollution are still big problems. Governments and companies are investing in green energy. So, projects for recycling waste, improving energy. In conclusion, I guess in the future being an environmental engineer is not just a job for me. It's my responsibility to my city, Қызылорда, to the health of my people and to future generation. If you take action today, tomorrow children will use clean and drink clean water. I want to work for that future. Thank you for attention.